we're dyno tinning today, and now that we're full bolt on, we're going to see what the numbers are at. Been waiting for a while, and they're doing a little bit a different way of doing things today, which I didn't know, but you essentially kind of line your car up and then they kind of bring you in on however that is. I didn't know that. I thought they went by how they usually do it, and that's you know, you sign up and then they call your name and then you're ready to go. So still kind of waiting to see, you know, if I'll be jumping in anytime soon, but we're gonna put the car in line and we'll see how that goes. expecting. Wow. So, holy crap. 329 with 273, and that was just on 2 poles. The first run was a 324 with 270 torque, and our last pole was a 329 273. Take a look, guys. Look at this thing. I mean, I'm hoping you guys can see it clearly. This is absolutely insane. I did not think I'd be making, I thought maybe 315, something like that. You know, if that, I didn't know it was going to jump that dramatically. My last run was a 308 from what I calculated, and we gained 21 horsepower from doing the American Racing headers and E85 on the base tune. We haven't even gotten revision yet, which honestly, why not? I did get a data log for it, so that way I can send that to Will at Overkill, have him take a look at it, make sure everything's running good. But beyond excited. The fact that it did that, I can't describe to you. But an exciting day. I'm just excited to see what else we can do and see what the revised tune does. The intake, the SS intake definitely helped. At the top it did cap a little bit, but it was already at the top of the rev range, so it's fine. You guys, seriously, so excited. I'm gonna close out the video. I'm gonna go check out this car and see how it does. But yeah, super excited, super stoked that the car did so well, and it's super hot in the car, so figured I'd just give it a second. But yeah, super excited, super stoked that the car did what it did, and I can't wait for the next one and to see if we get more power with a better tune and maybe go into the 330s. So like, subscribe, and comment. Please follow the build. It's still moving and still going forward. So you know, super excited. I'm repeating myself because I just didn't know that what it was going to be. So again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing and liking and commenting, and please feel free to reach out, because if you want to get your car to where mine is, I'm more than willing to help. Thanks, guys.